two methods of describing a set. First is roster form or tabular form, and second is set builder form. Second form of describing a set is set builder form. So let's start with example. Let's suppose I have a set of like this. This is in roster form. What is the common we can find here is it is written like this. We can write this here, and here it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is 3 to the power n, where n is a natural number. But this natural number is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 4. So let's start to write in a set builder form. We can write like this. Here we denote this thing as x. X is equal to 3 to the power n, where n is a set of natural number and this natural number should be greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 4. This is the set builder form. We can write this in this way. Let's see another example. Let's see A is equal to 1 by 3, 2 by 4. I'm not doing any kind of factorization. I'm just writing a form of set. 3 by 5, 4 by 6, 5 by 7. Here we can see this thing is written in this form. Here if we will put 1, it is 1 plus 2, 3. Next is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. In this way till here 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. This we will denote by x. And this is n. N is a natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural number where this natural number should be greater than equal to 1 or less than equal to 5. Now let's start to write in a set builder form. We will write x. This x is equal to n by n plus 2. Here n by n plus 2, where n is an element of natural number and this natural number should be greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 5. In this way we can write a set builder form. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell for latest update. Have a nice day.